Hi everyone, so this is just a basic tutorial on finding the perimeter, one of the most basic skills in geometry. And some people may learn it may learn this a lot before, but this is mainly for those people who are in geometry and they were just never taught and are like, oh, what's perimeter? All right. And so, what is the perimeter of this triangle? So for this one, it's pretty simple. So remember, perimeter itself is just it's just the sum of all sides. So you simply have to add 36 plus 48 plus 55. And so when you add all three of these together, you get 139 centimeters. All right, one regular pentagon is 7 units. So what is the perimeter of the pentagon? So remember, a pentagon, and it's regular, meaning that all sides are going to be the same length. And since a pentagon has 5 sides, there are going to be 5 sides with 7 units in each side, so the perimeter will be 35 units. Okay, which of the following expressions can be used to find the perimeter of the triangle? So the one we're going to be looking for is just 14 plus 21 plus 27, which is this in let's see, so the two possible candidates here, because it obviously can't be either of those, are this and this. However, it asks us choose 2 answers, not just one. So since the commutative property of addition shows that it can be combined in any order, both answers work. What is the perimeter of the figure? Alright, so in shapes like these, you can tell if this side's 15, then so will this. And if this side's 9, then so will this. So we do 15 times 2 for the 2 of them, and then 9 times 2 for the 2 of them. So then we get 30 plus 18, so that is 48 centimeters. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. I hope this helped, and yeah, just pretty basic tutorial for those who need to learn how to find the perimeter. Alright, thanks.